In the shiny, bustling city of automata lived Bolt, a robot who could solve complex math problems in a flash and build a skyscraper in a day. He was brilliant, fast, and strong, but Bolt had one tiny glitch in his programming. He didn't know how to say sorry. One sunny afternoon, Bolt was zipping through the park, testing his new super speed function. "Look at me go," he beeped, whizzing past his friends. But in his excitement, he accidentally knocked over his best friend Sparky's magnificent sandcastle. Sand flew everywhere, and Sparky's little light flickered sadly. Bolt just kept on running. "It was an accident. No big deal," he called back, but it was a big deal to Sparky. Later that day, Bolt zoomed past Willow the wind-up mouse, tangling her kite string into a giant knot. "Just get a new kite," Bolt suggested, not stopping. Soon, Bolt noticed something strange. No one wanted to play with him. The park felt quiet and empty. Sparky was rebuilding his castle alone, and Willow was patiently untangling her kite string with a sigh. Bolt's circuits felt a little lonely. He went to find Leo, the wise old clockwork owl who lived in the library. "Leo," Bolt began, "I can build anything. I can solve anything. But I can't figure out why my friends are avoiding me." Leo polished his glasses and looked at Bolt kindly. "Bolt," he hooted softly, "when you knocked over Sparky's castle, you didn't just knock over sand. You hurt his feelings. And when you tangled Willow's kite, you dismissed her hard work. But they were just accidents," Bolt protested. "An accident can still cause a problem for someone else," Leo explained. "Saying sorry doesn't erase what happened, but it shows you care about their feelings. It's like a special code that tells your friends, our friendship is more important than my mistake." Bolt processed this new information. It wasn't about being right or wrong. It was about being a friend. He rolled back to the park and found Sparky. "Sparky," he said, his voice softer than usual, "I'm sorry I knocked over your sandcastle. I was careless and I hurt your feelings. Your castle was amazing." Sparky's light brightened instantly. "It's okay, Bolt. Thanks for saying that." Then Bolt found Willow. "Willow, I'm sorry I tangled your kite. Can I help you fix it?" Willow smiled. "I'd like that, Bolt." From that day on, Bolt was still brilliant and fast, but he also became kind and considerate. He learned that the word sorry wasn't a sign of weakness, but the strongest tool for building and repairing friendships. And that was the most important lesson he had ever learned. If you enjoyed Bolt's story, don't forget to check out more of our videos in the playlists. Thanks for watching.